Dear parents and my dear students, welcome to online classes of St. Thomas High School, Puniyar. I am Sojan Varghese, English teacher of St. Thomas High School, Puniyar. I think from our school, one of our English teachers named Jassar already have prepared some important grammar classes for you. I think you may all watch and prepare notes. Here onwards, I am going to take English classes for class 8. Today we are going to discuss the first unit of the English reader. Our unit's title is Hues and Views. You might have known the meaning of the word hues. Hues means colors, and views. We may have different views about different things. That deals with the word meaning views. Here in our first unit, we have a short story, that is The Mysterious Picture by Charles D. Coster, and a Japanese folktale, that is The Boy Who Drew Cats, and Taj Mahal, a poem that written by Rabindranath Tagore, and a famous song, that is We Are the World, that prepared by Michael Jackson and Lionel Richie. We know the importance of art nowadays. Art or artist plays a significant role in our life. We all love arts or artists. Here we are going to see the title picture of this unit. Students, you go through this picture. What you can see this picture? You just look at this picture carefully. When we firstly look at this picture, we can see an old man's face. When we look at this picture somehow deep or deeper, at that time we can see a horseman is there, and a horse is there, and a man is lying or a man is sleeping there. When we firstly look at this picture, we could only see an old man's face. But when we look at this picture very closely, we could see the horseman and a man sleeping there in this picture. So it is a mysterious picture. Something is concealed by the artist. Something that is concealed from our eyes by the artist. That's why we couldn't see at first the horse and horseman and a man sleeping there. But when we go through this picture deeper, at that time we could see the horseman, and an old man's face, and also a man was sleeping there. So this is the skill of the artist. Here, now we are going to see the first lesson of this unit, that is the mysterious picture by Charles D. Coster. Before going to discuss this first lesson, I am going to show you a small video related to this one.
Art sense or common sense.
One day, a painter from Rajnagar came to the Vijayanagar court. He was showing his paintings to the king.
Wow, the paintings are so good. Raman, are you admiring the beauty of the deer?
Yes, Majesty. But did you notice that the deer has only 1 ear? The king could not say anything, but the painter did not want to accept his mistake.
This deer is looking at something to its right. That's why the left ear is not visible.
But the ear is totally not visible. The painter got angry and said,
An ordinary man like you cannot judge my great works. Only an admirer understands the beauty of the picture.
Raman wanted to prove that the painter had committed a mistake. Your Highness, I would like to show you my paintings. The king understood there must be a trick behind this and waited eagerly to see what Raman was to do.
Sure, Raman. I shall come with a guest to see your paintings tomorrow.
Next day, the king and the painter went to Raman's place to see his paintings. There were 2 black canvases kept, one named horse and the other named grass. How are my paintings?
Your painting just reads horse and grass. There is no horse or grass either.
Oh, the horse? It has gone to eat the grass, so you cannot see it.
Then where is the grass?
The horse has eaten all the grass, so you cannot see them too.
Then what happened to the horse?
The horse finished eating the grass and she has left. You see, we need to be an admirer to understand the art of painting. The painter felt ashamed for his mistake.
Art sense or common sense.
One day, a painter
Welcome back to
came to the Vijayanagar.
our class. I think all of you have watched this short cartoon of Tenali Raman. You might have known about Tenali Raman and his stories. You are familiar with, you may familiar with the Tenali Raman stories. And here the first unit or first lesson of this unit, the mysterious picture. Here in this mysterious picture, we are going to see the story of Till Eulenspiegel, who is a Flemish painter. He went to the palace of Archduke of Battenberg for drawing the picture. He is in a dilemma, he is in a confusion, because the picture or the portrait he wanted to draw is the Archduke of Battenberg with his courtiers. all the courtiers of Archduke of Battenberg, they have different opinions to draw their picture. They wanted to make them beautiful when till draw this picture. But the Archduke of Battenberg, his order is to draw the picture. In this picture, the courtiers should be as they are really. So he is in a dilemma. This is the introduction of this first chapter, The Mysterious Picture. It is written by Charles D. Coster. So, tomorrow onwards, we can start this one. Today, I gave you only the introduction of this first lesson. Next class onwards, we can see this mysterious picture, this lesson. Okay, thank you, dear students. Thank you.